Starting it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hello, everyone. I've had a recipe that people have been asking about for a while now, and it's called 1, 2, 3 Fudge. And what we've got here is real easy. If you can count to 3, you can do this. Now, what we got here is a 9x9 pan. We got a pan going, it's getting warm, and we're gonna put all our ingredients 1, 2, 3 into the pan, and it's ready to go. All right, now first off, I'm gonna dump 2 bags of dark chocolate chips in there. That's the 2. The 1 is a can of condensed milk, 14 ounce. I'm gonna let that just dump out a little bit, and I'm gonna grab something to stir here. And let's take the spatula and make sure you get most of that out of there. And just start stirring that around. You don't want it to scald. And we're gonna have that melt. And then the 3 is 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. So 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, 2 bags of chocolate chips, and about 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Now, we're gonna just melt that and get that stirred up real good. I got the pan or the pot here on medium heat, and make sure it's nice and homogeneous. Stir it really well. Now this sets fairly quickly, so once it's melted, you're gonna need to pour it in your pan. So my 9x9 pan, I'm just gonna layer it with some wax paper, because then all you have to do is pop it out of there by the paper when you're ready to eat. Now I also have a pile of 100-gram bars, and I'm going to layer them on the bottom. Now you can use any candy bar that you like. So this is 4 of the Dollar General 6-packs, so 24 candy bars. And I like caramel, so that's why I'm going with the caramel. And as you can see, that 24 bars fills this up pretty good, and you want them about even. All right, now my fudge is just about melted all the way here. You can see it's, you just want to make sure the chocolate chips are no longer chunky, and it makes a really nice smooth consistency. A lot of people ask me about this because they say, oh, it sounds good. So I figured we'd get this out there. It looks pretty good. It's nice and creamy. So I'm going to just put that on top. See how it comes out real nice. And I'm just going to spread that and push it into the corners. So I make sure I fill up the whole tray with fudge. And I'm just going to smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and smooth. That's where a bigger spatula comes in handy. Alright, that's what it looks like. Get a close up there, Miss Addison. And to top it off, I like a little bit of sea salt. So we're gonna just grind some sea salt on top of that. And when it's still warm, then the salt sticks to it really nice. And once this sets, you can cut it to any size you want. And basically, we're gonna call this dark chocolate caramel sea salt. But I've tried it with Twix bars. Everyone really likes the Reese's peanut butter cups. Rolos work really good. I imagine, I haven't done it, but I bet Milky Way bars would work really well in here. But you could just leave it without candy pieces in it if you really wanted to. But I like the little extra candy to it. Last time I used cookie dough, like edible cookie dough, and put that in there. And the cookie dough was really nice in there. So there you go. 1, 2, 3 fudge. And I'm gonna just let this set for an hour, and then we can cut it in little squares and we can eat it. So we'll see you on the next one.